Hi, I'm Annie, your trusted tour guide for life's meaningful milestones. So, today you'll get a 3-step August regroup plan: reflect, refocus, and rebuild. We'll borrow a page from the NFL preseason and the back to school reset. It's just a perfect time of year for it. So, you get momentum before the calendar year sprints away. So, a few Augusts ago, I looked at my projects and realized I was spinning in 6 directions, which is not unusual for me. None of them were forward direction. I treated August like December. I closed loops. I chose 3 priorities. I rebuilt my weekly rhythm. September didn't knock me over, it launched me. That's what we're going to do for you today. That's what I'm here for, is to help you learn from the mistakes or the misguided approach I've taken in the past and share some of my wisdom on Wednesdays. Wisdom Wednesday. Okay, guys, let's get into it. So, why is August the perfect time for a reset? As an entrepreneur, August can feel incredibly frustrating. It's so darn quiet. Let's enjoy the less noise, more signal, less noise. People are traveling, inboxes are quieter. Good. Use the oxygen. The school year brain imprint is real. We grew up resetting in September. It still lives in our bones. NFL teams use August to evaluate, simplify, and get game ready. Us too. Not perfect, but prepared. 4.5 months are left in this year. It's enough time to create something very meaningful if we focus. That's what I intend to do. So let's carry on with the 3 steps I mentioned earlier. So remember, I mentioned that there are 3 steps to kill it in August: reflect, refocus, and rebuild your routines. Don't feel overwhelmed by this approach. Look at it as using steps that are tried and true in project management and in the business world to have your best possible personal life and create and preserve an amazing life of legacy. So, step 1, reflect. Gather what you've grown. It's harvest time. Don't doom scroll your failures. List wins, nearly wins, and stalled but worth it projects. Ask, what's still alive? What can I archive? What deserves one last, simpler path? Use the Legacy Snapshot worksheet. The link's in the description. It's free. Enjoy. All right, step 2, refocus. Pick 1 to 3 priorities for September to December. Not 7, 3 max. For each, write down one win condition per priority. What would make those a win? The end of the year, you're going to love it, I'm telling you. All right, step 3, rebuild your routines. Name your weekly cadence. Deep work, admin, creative. Put them on the calendar. Remove 2 tiny speed bumps: tools you hate, decisions you remake daily, messy workspace. Clean it up. August is the perfect time for that. Like new colored pencils or new crayons for school. Now's the time to get them. Dust everything off, get ready, and let's hit it right after Labor Day. This is your month to clean up. All right. So, fresh start, right? Think like a head coach. Evaluate the roster. Simplify the playbook. Scrimmage, then kickoff. August is reps without pressure. September is your opening drive. Buy the fresh notebooks, like I say, the colored pencils, the crayon, whatever works. Your brain knows. New year starts now. All right. And forget about the nonsense, all right? Like, I don't want to hear it. I'm this, I'm that. My schedule is chaos. Okay, so let's make it lighter and let's make it consistent. Well, but I've lost momentum. Momentum is not a personality trait, it's a calendar entry. You got this, I promise. So let me give you a very basic key steps. Download the Legacy Snapshot worksheet. Choose your top 3 priorities. And on this week's calendar, put 3 blocks: deep work, admin, and creative. So one more thing. Comment below. What's your September opening drive play? What's it going to be? Where do you start? We'll cheer you on. I promise. All right. So I'll be right here next Wednesday to walk with you. So keep walking toward what matters.